Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a little different setup today, but I wanted to show you like all the stuff I bought for spring that was not Reformation. If you want to see what I got from Reformation, check out that other video. So I got some things from Madewell, J.Crew, Nordstrom, Target, Kiki de Montparnasse. I can't say that right. So I got an assortment of stuff. This is probably all the stuff I'm gonna buy this spring, considering I can't really go outside. So without further ado, let's begin. The first piece I got is from Madewell, and let me tell you, their denim is like my favorite right now, and I don't usually wear denim shorts. This is the Curvy Perfect Jean Short in Bergman wash. I got a size 28 and they have a raw edge. As you can tell, there's quite the inseam here. It covers like everything in the crotch. There's some distressing like so. I like that it was made for curvier figures, but it covers everything in the back. And you can tell like it's totally long enough to do that. And they're very high-waisted in that you can wear all your crop tops with it. Probably nothing would show. These are definitely my favorite shorts. I can already see how I'm gonna pair it with so many things, and I'm really looking forward to that in the summer. Also, these shorts are 100% cotton. That was really important to me. So when I'm on the website, I just look to see like what's gonna be sturdy. Because I was watching a video about French style and the girl said jeans are not meant to be comfortable. You want something that's really gonna like hold you in, and I think you need a sturdy fabric to do that. Next from Madewell, I also got a pair of jeans. This one's just 99% cotton, but when I ran into the store to buy something last minute, like that's all they had in the store. So check out the website, but these are the back. It's a lighter wash, but not too light because I do have a very light pair, but I don't have like a normal light pair. And the bottoms have this raw edge. It's quite actually scarecrow-like, I have to admit. And they're meant to be cropped. These are the perfect vintage crop jean. And I'm only 5'5", like 165 centimeters. So this doesn't actually show up cropped on me, like they're kind of full length. Maybe they hit the ankle, but it looks really weird with anything like ankle length boots or anything like that. So, but overall, I like how they fit. I like that they're high-waisted. I'm gonna continue riding that high-waisted jean trend till the very end, I think, yeah. But love this pair. Next up, I go on to J.Crew, and J.Crew is the sister brand of Madewell. And I've always wanted a white pair of jeans. And I do have a white pair that's very sturdy, but they're like low-rise, and it's always like difficult to get on. And they're kind of like boot cut, so they're out of style at the moment. So I searched for white jeans that were not see-through because like I already got a tan going on. If I'm wearing underwear, I don't want it to show and all these things. So I got this pair from J.Crew. It's high-waisted. I did order these online, so I didn't try them on to see if they were even like going to work. These are a vintage straight cut button fly. They're, yeah, again, straight leg at the bottom, and the back is like so. These jeans actually do have stretch to it, but it's like not in a way that they feel like less quality or that they're too thin, but they're still like thick enough that nothing is gonna show. So with J.Crew, I was really trying to get my summer holiday wardrobe worked out, and I did have a vacation planned for Hawaii that I don't think is gonna happen. Okay, it's not gonna happen, but I still have like a nice swimsuit for that. Look at this. This is stunning. I definitely don't have any swimsuits with sleeves. It is like a rash guard style. This is the ruffle-sleeve one-piece rash guard, one-piece swimsuit in electric blooms. I got a size 6, although I think with swimsuits you always want to size up. I should have got an 8. It does have like a zip here if you want to get really like va-va-voom, you know? Little ruffle sleeves, and it totally covers in the back, and I can't wait to wear this whenever I do go outside and do go swimming. In that same vein, I got a sun shirt from J.Crew in the color mint, the color pale mint. It's kind of wrinkly right now, but so this top is recommended by the Skin Cancer Foundation, and it has a UPF of 50 plus. So it's nice to have something that's gonna block UV rays like as best as it can when you're out in the sun, so you don't have any skin damage or anything like that. So most of us are interested in loungewear because we're staying inside. So from Target, I got a 2-piece set. They didn't come together, but they work together. And it's not actually meant for sitting at home, but to me, this is a sit at home outfit. And it's from their line called Wild Fable. So you have this top that is eyelet, and you can tie it here, although you don't need to tie it to keep it on. It's just like an accessory kind of thing. This is the back, and basically it's see-through. I guess you could wear a bra with it. The shorts that come with it are lined, so that's nice. I got a small here and a medium here just because that was all that's left. So try to imagine it together. So it's kind of like a 2-piece set. It's kind of, yeah, super cute in that way. Next, I got a top from Free People that is cropped, and this was on sale, so I think it's from last season. It has like a billowy sleeve here, but I thought it could work with like these high-waisted shorts, you know, try to see that, right? Kind of. So this is kind of like transitioning into spring summer. It's lavender, it has a lace detail, and some buttons right here. Speaking of loungewear, I did get something from Kiki de Montparnasse. I don't know if I'm saying that right, I'm sorry. This brand is out of New York. I kind of first got introduced to it because of Gossip Girl. If you're anything like me, once you saw like Blair wearing anything, you went online and tried to find it. And usually it was like marked down because obviously they filmed before you saw the episode. And she was wearing this silk romper and it was so cute and I totally wanted one. I didn't get it, but this time I checked the website and they're running promotions because they want people to shop online. Beautiful silk color with lace. There's shorts here. These are the lounge shorts. So the lounge short is super cute, beautiful silk. It has like this kind of darting here and elastic back, but there's also a zipper on the side. And this is the matching top, and it kind of, the lace is see-through here, but this is also very nice, and it comes with like other matching stuff that I'm not gonna show you. All right, let's go to shoes. So Nordstrom did like 25% off the whole website, so I did try to buy some things. I wanted to buy things that don't ever go on sale, which was hard because those things obviously like sold out really fast. But I did manage to get a pair of the Red Wing 6-inch mock boot for women in the honey Chinook leather. So these are the most comfortable shoes I've ever owned, I think. I wore them through the airport, and here's the bottom. Again, I wore them. The only issue I have is that they do cover the ankle, but then if you were to go hiking or do anything like that, you want it to cover the ankle because it'll protect you. So yeah, I definitely recommend this brand. They're made in America. A lot of the stuff is made in the US. Okay, not a lot. The Kiki stuff is made in the US, in New York. This is a new brand that I definitely glad I tried out. Finally, I live in Berlin, so what other kind of shoes would I own but Doc Martens? This is a Doc Marten Sinclair bootie for women. They are very heavy actually, like I can't even hold this up right now. I haven't worn them outside, but I've worn them inside and they don't even need breaking in. The leather is quite like supple already, like supple for Doc Martens. The bottoms, like so. They are very thick. They have a zipper, but they also have like laces, and I don't know exactly what the function of these laces are. Like they lace through here, and yeah, I don't know. So these are super cute. I can't wait to wear them outdoors, and yeah. I got this cute bright red silk Madewell dress. It has silk covered buttons. It has cute cinched sleeves or whatever. And yeah, it's A-line. Super cute. In the back, it's just zip, a concealed zipper. Yeah, I got this dress in a size 4, and I would normally get a size 6, but the 4 just fit, barely. But now I have my quarantine body, so I'm not sure. But because it is A-line, it's like free hip, and it was like originally made quite loose. So if you can find it online, do so. You can order down, and that's what it recommends online. And I can't wait to wear this. This is like an easy dress, like just get ready and go. Like you can just throw it on and it'll work for any occasion, date night, shopping for groceries, I don't know, but I will be wearing that once we get released. Something else that's a necessity in Berlin is this backpack. The Fjällrävenkanken bag. Did I say that right? I have one that's grayish color, but it was kind of like faulty at the straps. Like it was like shredded in one spot. So again, like they never go on sale. I thought I'd get one 25% off, and I got the royal blue color. I really wanted yellow, but then I'm like, am I gonna wear yellow? So I thought I would be safe, and I just went with a safe color. I like blue. Yeah, they're water resistant. They're great. They're just the perfect size, and now I have a backup, so to speak. I didn't need this. Yeah. So that's it. That's all I have for this spring summer haul. And again, check out my Reformation video if you haven't. And if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time.